an island in the west of Aceh, which is bordering with the Indian Ocean. An island that will give you natural enjoyment. The island that lives in a variety of tribes, cultures, and religions. The island that has witnessed many events in human story. You can hear the ritual of Smong. Have you ever heard a story about this island? A place that gives you the pleasure of high waves. A place that makes you feel like you have traveled around the world. Maybe you've heard of them. Through the billions of its natural beauty and the aroma of lobster that blow off their shores. If you have never heard of it before, maybe now you find it. You might want to know every inch of this place. From beautiful white beaches and deep seas you can see with amazing biodiversity. If you will start your journey, travel to the place where this story is. Your eyes will be spoiled by the beauty of each beach and its so nature. Find friendly people. They will greet you with the warmth. Enjoy the natural charms of the country, SIMEULUE in the middle of the sea. SIMEULUE Island, the light of Aceh, wonderful Indonesia.